now I saved the best for last, just because in my eyes it's the best, because I'm cultivating a relationship and I have some real life experience with it, and it's just a gorgeous plant. It's called fireweed, otherwise known as Chamarion angustufolium. And its benefits to the body are so many. Honestly, it can have its own video on its own. So here's just the brief talking points of this amazing plant. Now, the leaves can be used because it has all of the vitamins. It has literally all of the vitamins, all of the letters. You can use it for tea. I just put vitamin-rich tea because the list was just so long. I was like, let me save my hands some issues. Traditionally, it's been used to treat gastrointestinal issues and skin conditions, as you can probably see a trend there. But it also boosts your immune system and slows the aging process with its antioxidant nature. And not to mention its benefits for your prostate health, and it stops your skin cells in that area from proliferating, which I hear is a real big issue for some folks. So if you have that issue, maybe fireweed might be the thing for you. Now, moving on to the ecological benefits, which I thought was really cool, is the idea that the seeds are released in high heat settings, causing it to bloom after things like wildfires or bomb explosions, like in World War II when the Brits got exploded so much by the Germans that they started calling it bombweed, because whenever the bombings would stop, the flower, fireweed, would pop up. Which is why it also has maintained a lot of cultural significance in the myths I'm going to tell you about in just a second. More importantly, it's helped maintain a lot of the nutrients that get lost because of the, if a wildfire happens, a lot of other plants get destroyed, but this one's the first to pop up. Then it helps provide ground cover and give extra nutrients because it is so nutrient heavy with the vitamins it provides to the surrounding ecosystem, which is just beautiful. Shout out creator for that one. Now, the myths associated with it, there was a couple of them. So the first one I thought was more prevalent to bring up was the one by the Tingdinget tribe. And it's a story about Asin Ma, or the first woman, who essentially wove a blanket from fireweed fibers, and she took it to the four corners of the earth, real mystic like, and used the blanket to cover the earth, and sewed songs into the blanket that would ease the pain of Mother Earth as she gave birth to each and every individual animal. That is an awesome story, right?